Moving day. Hello. So today is the day. So I need to do some packing and then head to my new place.
Hola. I'm in Porto again to cut my hair as per usual, and today I decided to come to try a Japanese restaurant that I saw online and it looked so good. So join me in this new experience of trying Japanese food that is not sushi. I asked for sparkling yuzu. It tastes lemony and it's pretty good actually. It's the first time I try yuzu. This salad, it's pretty good. I don't know what it tastes like. There's like a flavor, not roasted, but kind of roasted in a way. It's really good. Muito obrigado. Obrigado. Let's try this. It's so good. Muito obrigado. I got some sesame ice cream. I've never tried it before. It doesn't taste too much like sesame. And it has some like roasted nuts. I think it's almonds. I'm not 100% sure though. It's pretty good actually. I'm really happy with this meal. I just finished my lunch. The place is beautiful, is really chill. The music in the background was so nice. Top notch. The service was really nice. Very welcoming, very like, is everything alright? And the food was really good. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised, but I had barely no expectation and I thought it was really good. I'm definitely gonna come back, babe. I'm gonna bring you here when we're in Porto again. And to anyone who's ever in town, I really recommend it to come here. Really good.
Okay, I just got in and I am now unpacking, but I am here. I made it. Yay. Okay, so since I didn't last time do the tour, so I'm doing a small little tour of the kitchen. This is the living room. Needs a couch, need a TV. Hi. And then this is the balcony. With the lovely view. Oh my god, that scared me. I don't know if you can see the scarecrow on the balcony. Let me see if I can punch in. Lily, that's me right now. Okay, the hardest part is organizing this closet. I think I don't have like a lot of clothes, so this is Lily. All my stuff. This is all what I came to Europe with and then back to the US with. So everything is in here. I really love this closet. I really love it. I think this might be the biggest closet I've ever had, actually. It is so weird to have this big of a closet. Like, I'm like, where does everything go? I'm so used to having just like a little closet, you just hanging everything and then have a little drawer. Like now there's like little sections I can put things in. So, okay, I need my, so I have like my dance clothes, then I have my clothes I just wear that I'm just, you know, I don't dance in. So there'll be a section just for that. Alright, I'm all finished. Closet is done. Thank God. It wasn't too much stuff. Yeah, it's done. Let me give you a little tour. Got my shirts here, pants there, little hats there, underwear and stuff there. You know, really cute. Shoes there. Yeah, I need a lot of more clothes, so. Yeah, the boy is struggling with the clothes. I definitely need more. But now I'm about to do the bathroom. All right, the bathroom is done. I'm done now. Yay, done. Now it's time to relax. If you couldn't tell, I'm exhausted. I'm about to put some Netflix on and relax.
It's election Sunday and we're about to go vote. We as in me and Miss Tina, as always. She goes with me everywhere. And we're voting for the city hall and... wait, I don't know the word in English. Well, we're voting for something else that I don't know the name in English. So this is a reminder to everybody, wherever you are in the world, go vote. Let's go. That was pretty quick. My queue was much bigger than my mom's. My mom was much faster. Votaste bem?
Penso que sim.
That's done. Our duty is done.
Bye bye. Não, a primeira vez.
O que é que aconteceu?
Um senhor ao lado queria que eu lhe ensinasse a votar, que lhe dissesse onde é que poderia votar.
And I told my mom, tell him who to vote for so we will avoid a problem because, you know what I'm saying? Ajudaste-o?
Não, esclareci-o só. Disse-lhe como é que tinha que fazer, onde é que tinha, qual era o seu espaço.
Period. Don't mess with Miss T.
Good morning. First night, well, first morning. Oh my God, last night was so nice. The bed is actually so comfortable. Yeah, because the last 2 weeks, I've been sleeping on my friend's couch because I was staying in his place while he was on tour. And now that he's back, I was sleeping on the couch. So it is so nice to sleep in a bed, my bed, and then just be in like a room and like not be on the couch and like it's just so nice. Like I'm just like loving this morning, just peaceful and just feeling really good and just really excited for the day. I'm like gonna probably go work out a little bit, check out the gym and do a little bit of exploring just in the apartment. And yeah, so really good night, a really good morning. So this is the outfit for Halloween. I obviously, you know, Air Force pilot. If you don't know, this is the Nah, all my non-Americans. This is Air Force pilot, Air Force One, I believe, or Top Gun, the movie. But we're just adding the finish touch. I'm so excited because I literally have not celebrated Halloween in so long. It's probably been a good like 5+ years. I'm really excited for tonight. I'm going over to some friends and have some fun, and then we're gonna go out. It should be really fun. I'm really looking forward to it, like for real. And usually I was always working Halloween. This is the first time that I'm actually not working. How crazy. But yeah, I'm really excited. I really like my costume. Yeah. You can see it before it's in there. Really cute. Very cute. Yeah. Check it out. I can move in it. I can groove. But yeah, I'm really excited. It should be a fun night. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I realized you couldn't see it in the shot, so here's the full look. Sexy mama.
I've been having a craving for the past 2 days because of my friend Carla, because she posted on her Instagram stories that she felt like having an eclair. Have this craving for the past, I don't know, at least 2 days, and I'm going out with my mom. Hello, Miss Tina. We're going to get an eclair. Tu vais comer eclair?
Não sei.
She doesn't know. She's just pretending. She probably will. Let's kill this craving together. My mom didn't get an eclair. She decided to get a Sheila, which is a pastry that has, I think it's called like angel hair inside. So yeah, she's gonna have a different one from me. Just to be annoying. No, just kidding. Tá bom?
Tá bom? Muito bom.
0 a 10.
Certo.
Miss Tina doesn't play.
Esta parte é melhor.
No, it's my time. My time. Carla, this is to you, babe. Very fresh. It was done today, so it's so soft. I love these ones with the egg cream inside. I actually asked before because in Spain they sometimes, or most times I would say, they add whipped cream inside, which I really don't like. So this is exactly what I was craving. Now with an amazing espresso, let's just enjoy it. Tava do seu gosto, Miss Tina?
Estava ótimo. Estava bom.
This is my mom's favorite place, I think. É o teu sítio favorito?
Para tomar um café ou porque eu não sei.
So if you ever come to my hometown, you need to go to this place that is called Mister Dos, which translates to Mr. Sweet. And they probably have some of the best pastries nowadays here in my hometown. So there's the tip for you. We're gonna go now for a walk because it's a beautiful sunny morning, and we're gonna try to enjoy the sun a little bit. Come join. Every time I see one of these, you know what my brain says, mega high.
E então?
Oh,
Que
that's
tal?
harder than it looks. You're supposed to have balance. Maybe these are not free. Let's try the other one. My hands are sweaty. I knew I could do it. 2 points for me. Gryffindor, you slay. I'm more like a Slytherin guy. Hola. Que cheiro é cão? Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna do a feet check with my mom. Wait, that. It's her first feet check, so there's a key. E mostra as well feet. Slay me, Stina. Kids, this is your reminder. Don't forget to go walk in nature and touch some grass. Bye.